is homemade borax ant killer can work against many common household ant species, but it is not universally effective for every species. Borax works as a slow-acting stomach poison that worker ants carry back to the nest, where it can kill the queen and brood if the bait is attractive long enough to be shared. To make an effective bait mix, use 1 part borax to 3 to 4 parts sweet attractant such as sugar water or honey to balance palatability with toxicity. If ants prefer proteins, swap the sweet for peanut butter or tuna, and keep the borax ratio the same. Place tiny drops of bait on index cards or inside bottle caps near trails, but not directly in open food areas so pets and children cannot access it. And replace baits every 2 to 3 days to prevent spoilage and to check for activity. Track trails at night with a flashlight, because many species forage after dark, and you will see whether workers are taking the bait back to the nest. For large infestations, locate nests by following trails to eliminate the source directly with targeted treatments or professional help if nests are inside walls or hard-to-reach voids. Note that borax is not instantaneous. You must be patient and expect reduced activity over 1 to 2 weeks before colony collapse, and repeated placements may be necessary for multi-queen or satellite nest structures. Common problems are using too much borax, which repels workers and prevents bait sharing, using a mix that is unattractive to the local species, and assuming visible dead ants mean the colony is eliminated. If the concentration is too high, reduce the borax and increase the sweet or protein attractant so workers feed and share. If workers ignore the bait, observe their food preference for a day, then switch attractant type from carbohydrate to protein or grease as needed while maintaining the same borax proportion. If you find dead ants but ongoing activity nearby, the queen or satellite nests may remain. Continue baiting along trails and search for secondary nests rather than relying on spot kills. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and browse community discussions about pest control experiences and bait strategies. We connect contractors seeking work with homeowners and host a discussion community where we share tips and real-world results.